camera. Hey! Yo! Hey, guess what's about to be here? Guess what's about to be here? You know? You guys want to see the dopest car we've ever wrapped on this entire channel? You better stay tuned right now.
Almost died trying to film an intro. Dude, right now.
My ankle went.
I seen that, and I was more worried about my camera than. I love you though.
Honestly, guys, bro? We're gonna have the little brother of my R33 showing up. So if you don't know what that is, just wait. It's about to come around the corner right now. Oh, I see it!
Dang.
Damn, look at this thing. I'm so hyped to actually be wrapping this thing. When you see it behind me, it's gonna be hard. I'm just gonna say that. Like, wrapping something like this is not easy, but let's get it unloaded and then we'll get in the shop and we'll talk. I told you guys it's gonna be the sickest car I've ever wrapped. I'm hyped. R33, R34, R32, R35. I love GTRs. So to have my car's younger brother here and to have them set up next to each other for a couple days, I'm just getting comfortable. It's hot out there. I'm hyped, man. I've always wanted an R34. It's still one of my goals to have one. So the fact that it's here, I kind of feel like over the next month, it's mine. So I'm gonna baby it. I'm gonna make this thing really cool. If you look at it right now, it's rough. It's rough around the edges, but guys, it's an R34. So we're gonna make it tight. We're gonna be wrapping it. There's also some bodywork corrections that we're gonna make. In addition to the 34 content, we're also gonna start working on the R33. So we gotta get the engine cooled and get that new motor put in my car. So by the time this car is done getting wrapped, my goal is to be able to head out with them, go to the track, hang out, have fun with both cars. So if you guys don't know, this car's been on our channel before. If you go back and watch probably, I'd say 6 to 8 months ago when I first got my GTR, Ace actually went with me to get the car. He actually hooked me up with the person that bought the 33, so we can cut back to some of that content. But Ace owns the R34. Prior to probably a month ago, it was a regular non-wide body R34, I think, GT. So he got the GTR body kit, and it looks dope. I mean, it's like I said, it's rough when you see it now, but once we get that wrap put on, it's gonna be awesome. Let's get the car pulled in and then we'll dissect it a little bit more. I think one of the big struggles we're gonna have is just getting the body dialed. The wide body was molded on, but just so you can hear the sound of it. It really needs to be smoothed out. So I think we're gonna send it off to the body shop so they can really define the line.
You can even see it right here.
Yeah, it needs some help. And it's not just a sand, it's gonna be somebody who knows how to create body lines, because you don't want this to look bad. As soon as we put vinyl over that, if it's wavy, you're gonna see the waviness through it. So we gotta get that corrected. This is gonna be a long, extensive project. It's not gonna be a turn and burn, get wrapped and go. So we're definitely gonna spend some time. Even the paint itself is pretty rough.
Jack, what do you see in some future problems being before we wrap it?
It's just like Daniel explained. It's not smooth. You see this right here? How they kind of shape this. If we go to the other side, you do a side by side, right? Look at that. Right there. It's not the same consistent shape.
Oh, wow.
All right, so basically what Jack is saying, we got a big project on our hands. We're gonna try to improve this as much as possible. You know, when it comes to our shop, the car is getting dropped off for a wrap. We love cars. We want to see it go out as best as possible. So we're going to give the customer all of the options with going to a body shop and having some of the issues that we see corrected that need to get corrected. So I do think it's going to be very extensive before we actually get our hands on wrapping it. We'll be disassembling it. We'll be going through the parts basket, because basically there's just a bunch of parts inside the car that we don't know what they are, and just kind of piece the car back together. I think the front end's been mocked up and fitted, but we might have some issues with that, so we're gonna also dive into that. We'll probably, actually, we get this question all the time. People ask if they should put their body kits on before they get wrapped. And we always advise, yes, you wanna get all that stuff fitted properly before you attempt to wrap it, because in some cases you may have to actually shave things down, and you don't wanna do that after the wrap's done because you have to rewrap. So we're gonna put the parts on the car. You're gonna see us build it back up just to take it back apart, because we need to make sure everything fits right. All right, guys, if you're as excited as I am, let us know, because we're gonna go content crazy with this thing. I don't know, it's just been one of those things. I knew the car was coming, and it showed up today, and it's like everything that I wanted it to be. It's not perfect, and that's exactly what I wanted, because I wanted some time to really show you guys us correcting this thing. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and also drop us a like, because Hefe needs it in his life.